How to add side shortcuts on your Brave browser homepage. I'm in Brave here, and in order to enable those side shortcuts, you want to click on this gear on the upper right-hand side. Then click on Top Sites. You can choose if you want your frequently visited sites to show up or your favorite sites. It's really up to you. Right, so your frequent visited sites, those will automatically be populated based on your searches, or your favorites, those you can add by yourself. So let's leave it for favorites and click here. Now all you had, as it says, simply click on ADD sites here, and you can type in whichever site. So let's say type in YouTube, because that's a site that I visit a lot. You can type in Google, right? Let's leave it like that. And the URL, you can simply type in www.google.com. Right now, go ahead and click on Save, and you can see that Google is added. Right now, this is how you can easily go ahead and add it. Now let's say you want to have it for frequent sites. Go back to the customizer, you can ask the frequent sites and then click and close out right now. Once you do that, based on your search history, it will automatically be populated, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.